In this video, I'm going to be showing you the first part of configuring new project in Android Studio. So the first part thing we're going to want to do is open the Android Studio, as you probably must have guessed. So we are going to wait that to load. That could be take longer or shorter depending on how quick your computer is. Now we are going to click start new Android Studio project. So this is the screen is going to be entirety of what we are going to over in this video, so it can be fairly sure. So the first thing here is application name is exactly what the user of your application are going to see, and what you are going to see, that's what you are naming your application. So we are going to call this Hello Android, and that's how Android Studio is going to identify a project, right? Every time we're gonna open it up, it's going to be called Hello Android, and it's actually, if you are going to use this name for actually showing your application. So sometimes it will put it as title of our app. Great. So company domain, this could be a little bit confusing, don't worry about it. It is how Android identifies your application. So every Android application is identified by a package name. So right below here we have a package name, and it just kind of building this package name out of our application name and a company domain. So company domain, you could put it, you have a website, you can put web id stoneriver.com, and almost that it does .com stoneriver.hello Android. So it just prefixes everything in reverse. So maybe if you have google.com, it would be com.google.hello Android. You could be put whatever you want if you don't have a website. So might put Thomas Brown, it could be Thomas, or I could put thomasbrown.com, and then it would be com.thomasbrown.hello Android. Just now that this is just here so that Android can create a package name for our application, and that package name is going to be how Android identifies your application. So just remember that you could really put whatever you want. I recommend website first or some sort of prefix that ends with .com, right? Great. So project location is pretty self-explanatory. That is just going to be where Android is going to serve your project. So I think that the fall is going to be under you now, under Android Studio projects, and I recommend you keep it there. Great. So that's going to be with this video, guys. I hope I broke down my first part, and I will see you guys in the next video.